Good morning to everybody and welcome to our new episode of Itanong Mo Kay Sarapat. For our today's discussion, we're going to discuss General Mathematics Quarter 1, Module 2. This time, we're going to discuss evaluating functions. So, tulad ng dati, we're going to begin with the pretest, what I know. Dito sa pretest, you only have to write the letter of the correct answer only sa inyong intermediate pad. This time, 15 items ito. Yung iba may computations, yung iba walang computations. Dahil pretest pa lang naman ito, this is a 50 item pretest. Kung halimbawa may computations, halimbawa itong number 11, say for example, magkakaroon ng computation dito. You do not need to write your computation sa inyong intermediate pad. Basta you write the letter of the correct answer, that would be enough sa akin. Ngayon, kung lalagyan mo ng computation, it's okay. Pero kung letter lang, okay lang din. In fact, dito sa pretest, kahit na kahit na letter of the correct answer muna dito sa pretest. And then, let's proceed. Evaluating functions. Have you remembered this? We have here expressions, 5 expressions. Assuming that the value of x is 3, you're going to evaluate the values of these expressions. So, let us have an example. Remember that the value of x is 3. So, we have here item number 1, x minus 9. Assuming that the value of x is 3, yung value ng x gagawin mong 3. So, we have x minus 9, yung x gagawin mong 3. Yung x gagawin mong 3 kasi sinasabi doon that the value of x should be 3. So, x becomes 3, 3 minus 9 is negative 6. So, the value of x minus 9 when the value of x is 3 would be negative 6. Kasi number 1, madali lang naman ang number 1 talaga. Number 2, 3x plus 7. 3x plus 7, 3x. Pag 3x, ibig sabihin pag multiply mo, yung x gagawin mong 3. Kasi nga, the value of x is 3. So, 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 7 gives you 16. Madali so far. Number 3, x squared plus 4x minus 10. Yung x gagawin mong 3. Palaging ganyan. Lahat ng values of x gagawin mong 3. So, yung x doon magiging 3, yung x doon magiging 3. So, dahil may squared doon, may squared din yung 3 mo doon. 3 squared is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. That 10 is retained. So, 9 plus 12, that is 21. 21 minus 10 gives you 11. And so on and so forth. Ganyan lang din, the same process. So, sa number 4, try natin tong number 5 kasi may cube siya. So, 3x cubed minus 6. So, yung x magiging 3. 3 cubed, ibig sabihin 3 times 3 times 3. So, that is 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. Kaya naging 27. 27 times 3 gives you 81. Minus 6 gives you 75. And now, let's talk about the different types of functions. Madaming uri ng functions. Pero, yung mga most common lang, yun lang ang aralin natin. What we call as the constant function, big sabihin, yung function mo, number, numerical, real number, ang value niya. Ibig sabihin, walang kasama na letra, walang kasama na exponent na nakikita, constant number lang. Pag identity function, kung anong value ng x doon, siya din ang value ng function. So, if this is f of 3, dapat 3 din ang value nun. Ganyan ang identity function. We also have what we call as the polynomial function. Pag polynomial function, meron siyang ganito na format, y equals a raised to 0, a raised to 1, x, and so on and so forth, na kung saan yung value ng n, ito exponent na ito, dapat non-negative integer. Dapat positive lang sila and at the same time integer. Initial review, pagdating sa integer, dapat hindi siya fraction, whole number na hindi negative. Walang butal, yan ang integer. Tapos, ang value of n should be real numbers din. Real numbers, hindi pwedeng imaginary. Pag linear function, the highest exponent should be 1. Ito, wala ka nakikitang exponent dyan. The highest exponent in the term is 1. Linear function yan. Pag wala ka nakikita ng exponent, ibig sabihin the exponent is 1. Pag sinabing quadratic function, it's in the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Sounds familiar, such that the value of a should not be equal to 0. Ang exponent ng leading term should be 2. Quadratic. Sa cubic function naman, the exponent of the leading term should be 3. Mawala na lahat tong mga to, basta ito hindi mawawala ito. Dapat. And the value of a, yung coefficient ng leading term should not be equal to 0. Kapag sinabing power function, ganitong format niya. Ganitong format. Such that b is a constant number. Constant number. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya letra. May numerical value siya na real number. Hindi pwedeng imaginary. The same and true with a. Specifically, yung a should not be equal to 0. Ito ang example niya. The value of a is not equal to 0, tas ang exponent niya ay constant number, real number. Pag rational function, yung numerator niya is an expression, the denominator is also an expression. And the denominator should not be equal to 0. Ano? Okay? Okay. Ang numerator is a function. The denominator is also a function. And the denominator should not be equal to 0. Ganyan ang rational function. Ang exponential function, kabaliktaran siya in a way ng power function. Yung exponent niya dapat variable. Yung kanyang base is a constant. Constant dapat yung kanyang base. Dito ang base niya ay 2. Yung exponent niya, siya ng variable. Logarithmic. May log. Absolute value function. Paano malalaman kung absolute value? Dapat may absolute value doon. May absolute value. Saka na natin tignan kung paano i-compute yung mga yan. Pag greatest integer, di may greatest integer dapat. Let us try to evaluate. Although nakapag-practice na tayo ng evaluation kanina, try pa natin yung mas mahirap na konti. Assuming that we have 2x minus 4 and the value of x is 3, so you rewrite f of x nagiging f of 3 kasi nga the value of x should be 3. So, ibig sabihin lahat ng value ng x gagawin mong 3. So, 2x, yung x gagawin mong 3, 2 times 3 is 6 minus 4 gives you 2. So, f of 3 is equal to 2 ngayon. Kasi madali kapag first example. Pag second example, g of x equals 3x squared plus 7. You identify the value, evaluate the value of g of negative 3. Ibig sabihin, yung x dito magiging negative 3. Okay, so nakita mo negative 3 yan. So, yung x dito magiging negative 3. Negative 3 squared is 9. 9 times 3, 27 plus 7 gives you 34. Paulit-ulit lang. Ganyan ang konsepto. Nahihirapan lang. Pahirap lang ng pahirap. Bawa ito, dumadami lang yung quadratic ito. Dumadami lang yung terms. Tumataas lang ang exponent. But the process is just the same. Pag sinabing evaluate the value of p of 0, yung x doon, gagawin mong 0. Yung x gagawin 0. Pag p is negative 1, yung x gagawin mo negative 1. Yung x doon, gagawin mo negative 1. Tapos simplify mo na. Okay, paano naman kapag medyo mahirap-hirap ng konti? Yung x gagawin mong h plus 1. So, yung x gagawin mong h plus 1. Yung x doon, gagawin mo siyang h plus 1. So, you're going to implement distributive property dito. Distributive property, distribute mo tong 5 na value na to in every term sa loob nito. So, 5 times h, 5h, 5 times 1 gives you 5 plus 1. So, you combine like terms magiging 5h plus 6. So, ang entire value niyan would be 5h plus 6. Mas mahirap pa yung number 4 kaysa number 5. Nagkaroon ng square root dito but the process is just the same. So, yung x magiging 9 kasi g of 9 daw. So, 9 times 3 is 27 minus 2, 25. The square root of 25 is 5. The same and true with number 7. Mapahirap lang ng pahirap. Pero the process is just the same. Paano naman kapag itong number 8, may greatest integer siya? So, greatest integer ng x plus 2 Greatest integer daw ay, ano ba to? 2.4. Okay, 2.4. Okay, so ano bang greatest integer ng 2.4? It's 2. Ano, it's 2. Greatest integer function, it's 2. So, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Okay? Dali lang naman eh. Ito, absolute value. Pag absolute value, kaya positive, kaya negative ang lilitaw na answer, ipapositive mo lang. Let's have an example. X minus 8, where x minus 8 means the absolute value of if x equals 3. So, if the value of x is 3, 3 minus 8 is negative 5. Kaya lang, the absolute value of negative 5 is 5. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng nasa loob niya, kaya positive, kaya negative, ang magiging sagot ay positive. Ulitin ko. Pag absolute value, kaya ano man ang sagot dito, kaya positive man ito, kaya negative man ito, ang final answer positive lang. Evaluating a function, a function within a function. Halimbawa, yung value of x, gagawin mo siyang 2x minus 3. Medyo komplikado ng konti ito, pero the idea is just the same. So, yung x squared doon, gagawin mo siyang 2x minus 3. Ayan, no? Ito yung x, naging 2x minus 3. 2 times x, yung x gagawin mong 2x minus 3 plus 2. Pero composite function na ito eh. And then you're going to expand this one, expanding binomials. So, 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. And then, ito distributive, negative 2 times 2x, negative 4x minus 4x, negative 2 times negative 3 gives you positive 6 and then 2. And then simplify, you'll reach this one. Pero relax ka muna sa ganitong uri ng example. Sa next example pa ito. Hindi dapat nandito to eh. Hindi dapat nandito ito. Composite function naman na ito. So, relax ka muna pag meron kang na-encounter na ganyang activities. For module number 2, kapag naka-encounter ka ng ganitong uri, evaluating function, pero expression yung nasa loob niya, lampasan mo muna. Hindi pa natin lesson yan. Dito, turn on. Sagutin yan. Find the missing part. F of x, yung value of x, magiging 2. Alam mo na yan. Ginawa nating solution yan. Para dito sa part na to, although may underline dito, sa sagot ninyo, kompletuhin yung sagot. Kompletuhin yung proseso. There are 5 items. 3, 4, tapos 5. Independent assessment, isulat nyo rin yung complete, solution, complete computation. Independent practice 2, true or solve. Pag true yung computation, pag tama yung computation, lagay mo true. Pag mali yung computation, isulat mo yung tama. Isulat mo yung tama. Okay? There are 5 items dyan. Again, sa activity na to, pag tama yung pinakita niya dito, you write true. Pag mali ito, ilagay mo yung tama na computation plus yung final answer. Independent assessment number 2, find my value. Isulat mo din. I-complete solution ang gusto ko makita. So, ito yung function, ito yung value ng... ito, lampasan ninyo to. Lampasan ninyo yung number 1. Composite function naman na ito eh. Lampasan nyo to. Itong number 4, lampasan nyo rin yan. Wala muna dapat dito yan. Sa module na ito, wala muna dapat yan. Yan yung mga lampasan ninyo. Okay? Ito ring number 4 pala dito kanina. Lampasan ninyo ito. Yung sa true or solve, lampasan nyo yan. Itong number 4 lang na to. Lampasan nyo yan. What I have learned, isulat mo dyan. In your own words. English, in as much as possible. Kung di mo kayang English, Tagalogin mo, okay lang. Fill in the blanks. Write legibly, use black ink only. Lang nangongopya. Pagdating dito, what I can do, ipakita mo din, you do not need to rewrite the question. You just show your complete computation and then your final answer pagdating sa dulo. And then you'll have your post-test. Post-test. Dito, kaya may computation, kaya wala dito sa... Ay, hindi. Sa post-test, gusto ko may computation dito. Kung may item na merong computation, I want you to include the computations. Ano, sa pretest lang yung letter. Ano, pag walang computation, o di lagay mo lang yung letter. Pag may computation, you write the letter and then you show the computations. And the final answer. There are 15 items for that. Okay? Dito sa post-test, gusto kong lampasan ninyo itong number 11. Ano? Lampasan ninyo itong number 11. Wala muna dapat dyan yan. Additional activities, sagutan ninyo yan. Sagutin ninyo. Okay? And then, kung kakayanin ninyo itong your turn, o di maganda. Kung di nyo kaya, o di magandang kayanin. Kung wala talaga, o di wala. And then we have here our answer key. Huwag masyadong magpakakampante sa answer key. Huwag masyadong magpakakampante sa answer key. Maging basihan lang yan. Para malaman kung tama ang ginawa mo o hindi. And here are the books that you could read for added readings. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button to get notified. For more questions, itanong mo kay Sir Pat. Bye-bye!